Welcome to your English listening journey. Today, we have a special story about the human mind and peace. Listen carefully. If you can understand this video, congratulations, you are officially at the A1 level of English. This is a huge step. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to the channel to support our 20-hour English series. Now close your eyes, relax, and listen. Hello. Today, we want to talk about a very deep psychological topic. We want to talk about a feeling that every human knows. We want to talk about fear, specifically the fear of failure. Think about your life. Are there things you want to do but you do not start? Maybe you want to learn a new language, like English. Maybe you want to start a new business. Maybe you want to change your job. But inside your mind, a small voice says, what if I fail? What if people laugh at me? What if I lose my money or my time? This fear is very normal. Every person on earth feels this fear. Rich people feel it. Smart people feel it. Even your teachers and doctors feel it. But the difference between a happy life and a sad life is how we respond to this fear. Psychological science tells us something beautiful about failure. Failure is not the opposite of success. No, failure is a part of success. You cannot have success without failure. Let us think about a small baby. A baby wants to learn how to walk. The baby stands up on its small legs, it takes one step, and then it falls down on the floor. Does the baby stay on the floor? Does the baby say, "Oh, walking is not for me, I failed"? No. The baby does not think like that. The baby laughs, stands up again, and tries another time. The baby falls 20 times, 50 times, maybe 100 times. But after many days, the baby walks perfectly. When we are children, we understand this. We know that falling down is how we learn to stand up. But when we grow up, we forget this important rule. We become afraid of making mistakes. We think that mistakes mean we are bad or stupid. This is a big psychological lie. Imagine you are playing a video game. In the game, your character dies in level 1. Do you throw the game away and cry? No, you play level 1 again. You know the secrets of the game now. You know where the danger is. You are smarter now because you failed the first time. Life is exactly like that video game. Every failure gives you information. Every mistake makes you wiser. When you are afraid to fail, you stay in one place. Your world becomes very small. You stay in your comfort zone. The comfort zone is a warm place, but nothing grows there. How can we overcome this heavy fear and build psychological courage? Let us listen to 4 simple steps. Step number 1, change your definition of failure. Real failure is not making a mistake. Real failure is when you stop trying. If you try to speak English today and you make 10 mistakes, you did not fail. You practiced. You are better than the person who did not try at all. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Step number 2, ask yourself the magic question. What is the worst thing that can happen? Often we make the fear very big in our imagination. But if you stop and think clearly, the worst result is not that bad. If you start a project and it doesn't work, you lose some time, but you gain a beautiful lesson. You did not die. The sun will rise tomorrow and your family will still love you. When you see that the worst result is small, the fear disappears. Step number 3, break the big goal into tiny pieces. Sometimes the fear comes because the goal looks too big. If you say, I want to speak perfect English in 1 month, your mind gets scared. It feels like a giant mountain. Instead, say, I will learn 3 new words today. That's all. A small goal does not trigger fear. A small goal gives you confidence. Step number 4, remember that nobody is watching you. We often think that the whole world is looking at our mistakes. We think people are talking about us. But the truth is, everyone is busy with their own life. Everyone is worried about their own problems and their own fears. People do not care about your failures as much as you think. You are free to try, free to fail, and free to grow. Think about the most successful people in history. Thomas Edison tried 1,000 times before he made the light bulb. He did not fail 1,000 times. He found 1,000 ways that did not work. This mindset changed the entire world. You have great power inside your mind. Do not let fear block your potential. It's okay to feel afraid, but it is not okay to let fear decide your life. Take a deep breath. Accept that you are a human who is learning. Be brave today. Thank you for listening to this story. You are doing a wonderful job with your English. Every minute you listen, you become better. You did it. You finished this part. If you enjoyed this psychological journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next part.